Okay, next up, I'm going to assign some voice output to my flight modes. So for instance, if I'm in bank 3, I want the radio to tell me that I'm in bank 3. To allow that to happen, we need to download some voice files. So go into settings, go into sound, scroll right, and we have the text-to-speech support. It says it's ready, and you have the option to re-download. So you'll probably need to re-download it. It takes about a minute. I find then it's better to then reboot the radio and the functionality works correctly. And if for any reason during the next stage that things don't work for you correctly, just turn the radio off and back on again, the old famous on and off process, and then it seems to work correctly. Okay, so I'm actually ready to go. So I'm now going to go into my models settings, go to flight mode, and let's say I want to set cut. So I go to set, this time scroll right, and you can see I've got text to speech, and I can edit that. So I can hit change. I can write what I want to do. Now I'm going to leave it as motor cut. I've entered this in earlier, and I'm going to enable voice output so that when I hit throttle cut,
motor cut.
There we go. It's actually
Motor
calling
off.
out what I've wrote. Now, if I don't want that to announce, I can just untick it. There we go.
Motor off.
And it's working fine. You'll notice I've got motor off, so that's because I've set this one already. So there we go. Text to speech, motor off. I've got the voice output enabled. Done. And I can change that if I wish to. So let's set up, for instance, auto. So let's go set, scroll right. So let's now change auto. Tick. I want the voice output enabled. I'm just going to preview it.
Flight mode 3.
Now you can see it's not calling out what I wanted. So I now know if I reboot this radio, that will work. So I have come across this before. So if you get a problem like I've just had there, just reboot the radio and it will start to work correctly. Okay, so I've just rebooted the radio, and actually one of the issues is because I'm currently doing a screen share from this radio to my computer at the moment, and actually that's what was causing the issue. So I've just disabled the screen share, and I've gone in and set all of the names. So for instance, if I look at bank 1, set, I've named it bank 1, and I've done that for all banks now. So now if I go through the switch assignment.
Auto, bank 3, bank 2, bank 1, motor off.
Voices work.